Hello students, here is the topic error, class 11 physics. It is the difference between the true value and the measured value of the physical quantity. Let A1, A2, A3 are measured values. Then we can find true value equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus. So students, suppose A1, A2, A3 and A4, A5 are the measured value, then we can find true value. True value is denoted by A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus An upon N. It is the value of true value. So error equal to true value minus measured value. Error equal to true value is measured value A1 it is absolute error. Error is also called absolute error and it is denoted by delta A1 delta A2 equal to delta A3 equal to delta A4 equal to it is the absolute error. Please copy this. Here we can find mean absolute error. It is denoted by equal to this plus this plus this plus this magnitudes. Okay students, mean absolute error is the mean of magnitudes of addition of the absolute errors. So final result can be written true value plus minus mean absolute error. It can be written as and okay students, please copy. Next is the relative error equal to mean absolute error upon true value. Note down students. Now here relative error is the mean absolute error upon true value delta A upon A. Percentage error equal to okay students, it is the very important topic. I have cleared every doubt. If you want to do more videos on physics class 11, 12, NEET and IIT, then you can subscribe and like my channels. After this, I am going to explain examples on the errors, how to calculate relative errors and percentage error, absolute errors and mean absolute errors. So let us see. Question is, when the diameters of a circle given as measured value 2.53 cm, 2.45 cm, 2.68 cm, 2.45 cm, calculate the absolute error, mean absolute error, relative and percentage error, and write in the proper form. Then first of all, we have to calculate absolute error. Then for absolute error, we will have to find true value. And the formula of the true value is mean of all the measured value. True value equal to 2.53 plus 2.45 plus 2.68 plus 2.45 upon 4. At these terms, now we have to divide this. Equal to 2.520 equal to 2.52. It is the rounded off to 2 decimal point. Students, it is the rule when we add many numbers with regard to significant figures, then two decimal places are the least, and result is 2.520. Then we have converted it into two decimal places, 2.52. It is the true value. So true value equal to 2.52. Now I am going to calculate absolute errors. Absolute errors. Delta A1, delta A2, delta A3, delta A4. Delta A1 equal to true value minus measured value. Delta A2 equal to true value minus measured value. Delta A3 equal to true value minus measured value. Delta A4 equal to true value minus measured value. True value is 2.52 minus value of A1 is 2.53. So result is minus 0.01. 2.52 minus 2.45. So result is 0.07, and delta 3 equal to true value minus 80. True value is 2.52 minus 2.68 equal to minus 0.16, and the delta 4 equal to true value minus A4. True value is 2.52 minus 2.45 equal to 0.07. These are the absolute errors values. These are the values of absolute errors. Please note down. Now students, true value is 2.52 and absolute errors. First absolute error value minus 0.01. Second absolute error value 0.07. Third absolute error value equal to minus 0.16. And fourth absolute error value equal to 0.07. Now we will have to calculate mean absolute errors. Mean absolute error equal to the mean of all these values. Mean of all these values. Delta A1 minus 0.01, but we will take only magnitude of this value, so 0.01 plus magnitude of delta A2 equal to 0.07 plus magnitude of delta A3 equal to value of the delta A3 equal to minus 0.16, but magnitude 0.16 plus value of delta A4 equal to 0.07, so magnitude also 0.07 on 4. Add this value and divide by 4. 0. 0.31 upon 4. Divide this value. equal to 0.02. So 0.02, here we can see when we add four significant figures, then rule for the addition is that we will have to take the least decimal places. So same decimal place 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So 0.02. It is the mean absolute error value 0.02. Okay, students, please note down. Now, relative error. Relative error equal to formula is mean absolute error upon true value. Mean absolute error value is 0.02 upon true value is 2.52. 2.52. It is the relative errors value. Okay. When we further calculate, then we will find the value of the relative errors. Here 2.2 equal to 252. 2 is divided by 252. When we divide 8 times, then it will more than 2000. So 7 times. Okay, students. So value of the relative error is 0.007. Value of the relative error equal to 0.007. Now we can calculate the percentage error. Percentage error equal to relative error multiply 100, then 0.007 multiply 100. Calculate this. 100 multiply 7. 0.7%. Okay, students, 0.7%. It is the value of the percentage error. In the same way, we can calculate many problems. We can calculate many examples related to absolute error, mean absolute error, relative error, and percentage error. Okay. Now we have to write the result in the proper form. How to write? Please see this. Rule is true value plus minus mean absolute error value. So true value is 2.52 plus minus, and the value of relative error, sorry, mean absolute error 0.002. It is the answer. Okay, students, please note down this. So, students, in my next video, I will explain more examples on the errors and relative errors, fractional errors, and percentage error. If you want more video on your board exams, NEET and IIT, then please like and subscribe my video. Okay, students, and share. Okay, bye. Hello, students. Here I am going to explain the examples that is based on the errors. Physics class 11. In successive measurements, the readings of the period of oscillation of a simple pendulum were found to be 2.63 second, 2.56 second, 2.42 seconds, 2.71 second, and 2.80 second in an experiment. Calculate mean value of the period of oscillation, absolute error, mean absolute error, and relative error, percentage error. Express the result in the proper form. So first of all, we have to calculate the mean value of period of oscillation. There are the readings given: 2.63 second, 2.56 second, 2.42 second, 2.71 second, and 2.80 second. We will have to calculate the mean value. The mean value, or it is also known as the true value, it is equal to 2.63 plus 2.56 plus 2.42 plus 2.71 plus 2.80. When we further add, then result is 13.12 upon 5. Now, when we divide 2.624 second, but we will also think about significant figures. When we add the many significant figures, then we will take the result uh, by taking least decimal places. So, two decimal places, 2.62 second. Okay, students, it is the value of mean value, or known as the true value. Now, we will have to calculate the absolute error. Absolute error, delta A1, delta A2, delta A3, delta A4, and delta A5. It is the absolute error. Equal to true value minus first measured value. Delta A2 equal to true value minus second major value, delta A3 equal to true value minus third measured value, delta A4 equal to true value minus fourth measured value, delta A5 equal to true value minus fifth measured value. Put the values equal to 2.62 minus 2.63, 2.62 minus 2.56, 2.62 minus 2.42, 2.62 minus 2.71, 2.62 minus 2.80. Calculate this result equal to minus 0.01, 0.06, and it is 0.20. It is 0.09 minus. It is the value minus 0.18. Okay, student. It is the value of absolute errors. Now we will have to calculate mean absolute errors. It is the first part. It is the second part. Now third part. Mean absolute error equal to magnitude of all these absolute errors. Upon 5. Put these values plus 0.20 plus 0.09 plus 0.18. Now add these values zero point 0.54 upon 5. Now divide equal to 0.108 second. Put in two significant figures. It is the addition of 0.01, 0.06. Least significant figures are no. Here we will consider only minimum decimal places 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. So we will have to convert in the two decimal places. So equal to 0.11 second. It is the value of mean absolute error. Please note down. Okay, students. Here, relative error. Relative error equal to mean absolute error upon true value. And the mean absolute error value equal to 0.11. Equal to 0.11 upon 2. What is the true value? 2.62. 2.62. 2 points equal to 11.262. Further calculate. It is the 0.4198. Okay, students, here when we divide two numbers, that we have to consider also significant figures. Then minimum number of significant figures. Here only two, here three. So least significant figures we have to take equal to 0.42. Okay, students. Now percentage error. Percentage error equal to relative error multiply 100 equal to 0.42 multiply 100 equal to 4.2%. Okay, students. Now, last step, express the result in the proper form. It is the sixth part. Then, rule H, true value plus minus means of measured value and equal to, what is the value of true value? 2.62. 2.62 plus minus, what is the value of mean absolute error? 0.11. 0.11 1 1. It is the answer. Okay, students, I hope you have understood this concept very clearly, and I will explain the topics related to this error in my next videos. If you want to continue my, if you want to want to continue see my video, then please like, subscribe, and share this video. Okay, students, bye.